Alright, here we go. Got something in store for you guys today. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab extra seat for the barrel. See if we got everything in here. I'm gonna have to go in there. There's the seat. Alright, slide that over there. I gotta look for the rest of the seat belts. I'm not sure exactly where I put them. Let's see if they're in here. No, they're not in there. Where they at? That's my headsets. Where they at? I know they're in here somewhere. They're in this cabinet. Oop. Oop. I'm sore from moving yesterday. It's hard to bend over. Help my daughter move. Alright, here they are. Here's the seatbelt right here. Alright, I got the seatbelts. Let's see the best place to grab this. Alright, let's walk. There's one of those Dodge Demons. It's under the cover though, or I'd go over there and look and show you this. Alright, getting it dark in here. See if we can see. Ooh, ooh. Nice Mooney, nice Bonanza, a Baron, Cherokee of some sort. I don't know if that's a Dakota or an Archer. One of the two. Sears back there in the corner. Saratoga, another Sears. Alright, where are we at? Here we are. Let's squeeze through here. There we are, in front of the Comanche, or not a Comanche, what is it? Oh yeah, that's a twin Comanche. Don't see many of those. Those are a good airplane. Not real fast. Alright, I'm gonna set the seat down. Well, let's see if I can set the seat down without it falling over. Yeah, I'll just lay it down like that. Gotta get the key. Got the key. Grab my seat. Alright, we're going to show you how to do this, how we put the seat in. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. We usually leave it out because we don't have normally just two people in the back. And you might as well have the room, right? Alright, so here we go. Set the seatbelt right there. Put the key in my pocket. Right here's the little brackets that it clips to. And the main thing, I'm going to show you guys. I wish I had a good flashlight so I could. The lighting in here is terrible. I should go open the door. Alright. I still could use a flashlight for the camera work, but anyways. Ooh, what's this right here? Oh, there's a tag. I don't know what that is. Alright. Anyways, what I was going to say about the seat belts. You've got to make sure, because the shoulder harness, you got to imagine it comes across your chest this way. So you've got to put, that's what tells you which buckle goes where. So this seat belt goes across here, and then the harness would clip on here. So you know this one goes on the left, this one goes on the right. That's the only difference. The seat would still mount, but your seat belt wouldn't be right for your shoulder harness. So I'm going to take this off in this little pin. All right, just like that. And then we're going to take this one out. Just like so. There's those pins. And then I'm just going to put these right in here like that. I don't know if you guys can see. I wish I brought a flashlight. But it goes right in there, and we're gonna slide this pin right in here. If I can see it, boy, I could have used a flashlight too, just to help me. Oh, there we go, there it goes. There goes that. And then I put the pin through this way. So you don't accidentally pull it out. Oop, I didn't put the sorry about that. I'm busy thinking about what I'm going to say on the camera instead. We're going to put the pin through like that, right through there, the little bushing thing. We'll slide the seatbelt up that way so they can buckle it. Slide that one in, boom, there we go, there's that one. And then this one, just like this, slide it through here. Let's see if I can do this. There's that. Come on. Let's do it this way. So let's do it like this. Come on. So this one kind of got chewed up before. Oh, come on, where is it? There we go. There we go. Now we're in there. If I don't pinch my fingers, I'll use my head to hold it. Slide that one too. The main thing you want to make sure there's little balls, the little locking ball thing. And then I'm just going to take this little leg and clip it right in there. These seats are a left and a right or whatever. If you get them backwards, because they will go in backwards, the little legs won't line up with these, and that's how you know you got them in the wrong spot. So, and then I'm going to take the seat belt right here, this one, and we'll buckle it so everybody knows which seat belt is theirs. All right, I'll just cinch this up a little bit. We're going to have a couple kids in the back seat, I believe. All right, and that's that. That's it for the seat. And also these seats, if you wanted to leave them in here, you pull the little leg up, you can push it up like this, and there's a little strap right here, right? This little strap, so you bring it through here, and you can just clip it right there, and it holds the seat. And I can do the same thing with that one. So we could just fold them up out of the way, sort of like an SUV, right? Or you can completely pull them out. One other cool thing about the Baron is these two seats, I've got these slid. I slide them all the way this way to give ourselves more room up in the cockpit. But these seats, you can pull the pins, slide them off the tracks, and spin them around, flip them around, so everybody's facing forward. The downside to having everybody facing forward is these two seats, when they're facing forward, have to get in through the pilot seat. You'd lean the co-pilot seat forward like an old two-door sedan, like in the old days. Oh, excuse me. So anyways, so that's that. Very good. All right, we're gonna lock her back up. If I can find the key. Where's the key? There's the key. Come on, there we go. All right, and while we're here, I'm gonna check our oil pressure. I'm gonna glance at our tires. Squat down there, our tires still look good. I'll check them with the gauge, but they look good. If they were low, you could tell. Alright, we are at 9 on this side. I don't know if I'll add any oil or not. I'm 9. Let's see what we are on this side. I know you guys can't see. I'm just gonna raise up and look. Gotta get the light on the stick. This side's about 8.5. So I'm gonna add let's add some oil to this. This is 8.5, the other side's 9. So you know what I'll do is I'll add a full quart to that one. I could put a half a quart in this one. Let's do that. Let's put, because we're going to be flying a bunch on the next, well, not a bunch, but several hours. All right, now here's the trick. I don't know if you guys can see. I got to stand up on my tippy toes to see the hole. And I can pour it. Since we're in the hangar with no wind, the trick is just pouring it very, very slowly so it doesn't gurgle and doesn't back up. So we're at 9.5 on this one now. We'll run it on the stick just to keep from dripping. Alright, we'll put this one back in. Alright, we'll put a cord in the other side too. What the heck? Guess I need to order another case or half a case of oil, just to have on hand. I got 2 full cases, but I was saving that for an oil change. And pour very slowly. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole thing in there. We have 10 on this side, 9.5 on the other. It kind of likes it around 9. If I was just going down to the beach and back, I'd just leave it at 9. But since we're flying to Tennessee and then down to the beach and then back here, and starting hot starts and all that jazz, good to have a little extra oil in there. Alright, there's that one. There's that. Alright, we're going to close our little, put our lid back on that. Alright, put the key back in here. Put the key, there we go. Close that. Grab our 2 quarts of oil. We're going to close the door back.